Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make chicken corn vegetable soup. For this recipe you would need 1 pound chicken, 1/4 cup cream style corn, 1 cup shredded or cubed carrots, 1 cup red and green bell peppers chopped, half a cup chopped mushrooms, 1½ inch ginger, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1½ tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, some chives to garnish, and 12 cups of water. In a large pot, add water, chicken, ginger, and salt. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium to high heat. Now chicken is ready. Take out the ginger and chicken out of the broth. Discard the ginger. Now shred the chicken and set aside. In the broth, add the shredded chicken, carrots, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.